So here again you can see this is not in your textual exercises. This problem is not there. Okay, trigonometry 11th chapter. This problem is not there. How to analyze the problem? Before attempting a problem, Mr. X has to analyze it. Analyze ante ये प्रॉब्लम कैसा करना, एक जनरल आइडिया. एक बिल्डिंग बांधते से पहले एस्टिमेट डाल लेते, बेडरूम का साइज कितना, उसका लेंथ कितना, ब्रेड कितने, सिंगल बेडरूम, डबल बेडरूम, बेडरूम किधर आता, बाथरूम किधर आता, किचन किधर आता, पूरा स्केच ड्रॉ करता पहले. He will have the sketch. Then they start going according to the analysis. उसको एनालाइजिंग बोलते. Then they start going according to the analysis. कितना साइज है वही साइज आना पक्का. Okay, so before attempting a question, Miss X has to have an analysis of the question. Blindly she can't start, blindly she can't end. This is mathematics. Mathematics is a stepwise procedure. Okay, stepwise procedure means if the first step is apt, correct, apt ante exactly correct. Okay, if the first step is apt, naturally the second step would be correct, naturally the third step will follow, the fourth, the fifth, the sixth. When the first step only is in dilemma, first step ఏ డైలమాలో ఉంటే ఇక నీకు ఆ లెక్క రానట్టే లెక్క. It means you don't know. It means you are going to do something very awkward ఆన్సర్ రాస్తావు, నువ్వు గలీజ్గా ఒక ఆన్సర్ రాస్తావు. ఓకే, your answer will not be anywhere close to the solution. Solution के किधर भी नजदीक नहीं रहता तेरा आंसर. Okay, so we have to have an analysis. So what is the analysis? Here we can see, find A, B, C. It means three unknowns. It means, so until today we are in the ultimate days. I have time and again suggested you some indications I gave you. If we have three unknowns, then what dash? Then dash. If we have three unknowns, then dash. What is the dash? Anyone in the class? What is the dash? We have to have three conditions. We have to have three conditions. But you can see only two conditions are there here. The first condition is, did he say if here? If annada, given that annada, ఏమన్నాడు, ఏమనకుండా ఇయ్యాడు. ఇఫ్ అంటే వాడు చెప్పట్లే, మరి ఇఫ్ ఉంటుంది ఏ లేదంటున్నారు. ఇఫ్ మీన్స్ వాట్? గివెన్ కండిషన్. హైటోల్ ముందు పొట్టోలు వెనకెందుకు కూర్చున్నారు? బలిసిందా? డైరెక్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. పొట్టిగా ఉన్నావు కదా, నువ్వు వెనకెందుకు కూర్చున్నావు? హైట్ లెక్క నీకు అనిపిస్తా లేదా? దివానే అను ఏమన్నా? So when three unknowns are there, we have to have three conditions, and we are having only two. If means condition, if means conditions. Okay, if means conditions. Three conditions are there, have to be there, three conditions, but we are having only two. Here you can see only two. Sin a plus b minus c is 1 by root 2. Cos b plus c minus a is 1 by root 2. And where is the third condition? Third condition is the universal statement which you know. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. That is the known condition. Everyone knows it. Not given over here. Not given over here, but we should understand that definitely we have to make use of three conditions for three unknowns. What are the three unknowns? Angle A, individually what is angle A, individually what is angle B, and individually what is angle C. Three unknowns, three conditions. Okay. What are those three conditions? Two are on the board and one is in our mind. Two are on the board, one is in our mind. Don't forget, without using the third condition, we will never arrive at a solution. We have to have a third condition guarantee. Okay. Come on, start now. Given sine A plus B minus C is equal 1 by root 2. Sine A plus B minus C is 1 by root 2. Sine A plus B minus C. From the tables we know it is sine 45. I think so your teachers at school have not told you the technique of understanding the whole table. You have to just by heart sine and tan values. Sine and people like me don't by heart tan also. Direct only sine. Only sine we will have on our minds. With sine we will derive all the values. Cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. All values we get. I can tell every value depending on only sine. But since you are amateurs, I am a professional, so I can do it. But since you are amateurs, you have to do one thing little more. What is that? Tan values also you will by heart. Things will become very easily. Things will become very smooth. No hiccups. No speed breakers. Direct you will attempt the questions. Okay. So 1 by root 2 is, because we by hearted it, it is sine 45. So A plus B minus C is equal 45 degrees. That becomes equation 1. Now, again, second condition, cos B plus C minus A is equal 1 by root 2. Okay. So 1 by root 2 we have to get in cos. Okay. So it is cos 45. Why means cos 45 is equal to sine 45. Cos 45 is equal to, so if 1 by root 2 is sine 45, 1 by root 2 is cos 45. So we are having relations, no? 30, 60, 0, 90, 45, 45. Cos 0 is sine 90. Cos 90 is sine 0. इसका मतलब साइन आ गए तो कॉस आ जाएगा, साइन आए तो कॉस आएगा. Cos 30 is sine 60. Cos 60 is sine 30. It means if you get sine, it means automatically we are getting cos. And then cos 45 is equal sine 45. So if 1 by root 2 is sine 45, then 1 by root 2 is also cos 45. It is also cos 45. So cos B plus C minus A is equal cos 45 again, right? Cos cancel. B plus C minus A is equal 45 degrees. Equation 2. Now, you do 1 plus 2, you do 1 minus 2. You do 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 karo, 1 minus 2 karo. Very, very important now what I am telling now. That side, that face is very, very important. You do 1 plus 2. So, what is 1? A plus B. A plus B minus C is equal 45. B plus C minus A is also 45. We are adding. So when we are adding, plus C minus C cancel, plus A minus A cancel, right? plus A minus A cancel, plus C minus C cancel. 2B is equal 90. Is it? So B would be 45 degrees. Equation number 3. Equation number 3. Now you do 1 minus 2. You do 1 minus 2. So A plus B minus C is 45. B plus C minus A is equal 45. Now we are doing that minus action. When we are doing plus, no changes in the sign. But when we are doing minus, the signs will change. The signs will change. So plus B becomes minus B. Like this you have to write. Plus C becomes minus C. Plus A becomes minus A becomes plus A. And plus 45 becomes. Why this changes in the signs occurred? Because we are subtracting. So when we are subtracting, the signs will change. The signs उधर जा तेरे को मालूम पीछे है ना आदमी तेरे को मालूम है ना पीछे लोग है बोल के बार बार बोलना हदो right. So now what is cancelling, you tell me? Plus B minus B is cancelling. A plus A, 2A. A plus A, 2A. Minus C minus C minus 2C is equal 0. Okay. 2A is equal minus 2C goes that side. 2 cancel. A is equal C. Equation 4. Equation 4. A is equal C. What is equation 3? B is equal 45. What is equation 4? Now we have to go to the third equation. Unknown, which we are having in our mind. What is that? What is that? That general truth, what we know? Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. That formula we have to use now. Now we have to go to the unknown, which is not given here. What we already know. It's not given. Given though it's 1, 2. Only two conditions are. The third condition is universal. Already known to every student. Right from the time when they started mathematics, trigonometry, triangles, wherever in 8th class or 7th class or anywhere, okay, we know that A plus B plus C is 180 degrees, right? So A plus B plus C is equal 180 degrees. करके we know the tananali. We know that A plus B plus C is equal 180 degrees. A ante A ne, B ante 45. B means 45 plus C ante A. C daggara A. At C we will write A is equal 180 degrees from B. B already we know that it is 45 degrees. We know B is 45 degrees. Okay. And also we know that C is equal to A. We know C is equal to A. C is equal to A. Understand? So A plus A becomes 2A is equal 180 minus 45. So 2A is equal 135. 135. So A becomes 62 and half degrees. 62 and half. 62 and half plus 62 and half 135. करके मसी एग्जाम्पल एक्स को नहीं मालूम half plus half 1 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 2 5 okay it is 67 and half I think so 67 and half 1 plus half plus half 1 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So A is 67 and half degrees. If understood no? How I got this half? You understood no? Half plus half 1. 67 plus 67, 134. 67 plus 67, 134. 134 plus 1, 135. You will get in points. Point can 0.5. Point can 5 can be written as half. Divide करे तो 0.5 आता भाई. ఈ 0.5 ని half అని రాయొచ్చు. 0.5 can be written as అని యాలర్ దాకా you may not be knowing. 0.5 can be written as half. Okay. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. 0.75 can be written as 3 by 4. 0.75 can be written as 3 by 4. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. And 0.50 can be written as 1 by 2. It can be written as గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. 0.50 can be written as 1 by 2. 0.75 can be written as 3 by 4. Okay. So now if A is 67 and half, automatically C also 67 and half. Why? A is equal C. A is equal C. So implies C is equal 67 and half. From 4. From 4. What 4 is saying? What fourth equation is saying? A is equal C. Fourth equation says that A is equal C. So if A is 67 and half, C is also automatically 67 and half. So we got the three angles. How many conditions we made use of? Three conditions, no? What is the first condition? Sin A plus B minus C is 1 by root 2. Second condition, sin B plus C minus A is 1 by root 2. Third condition, we know that A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Unless we use the third condition, can we arrive at a solution? So that is it. Did you understand the problem? Is it there in your textbook? So like this sort of questions, he keeps giving. Understand? Testing your, yesterday I told you, testing your abilities. Testing your and you have to have a lot of ability while attempting the maths paper. Understand? So on this model you can do any other problem also, no? Is it? Okay, then do it. Okay? Take care. Take care of this problem, very important. Okay?